What's going on? A package just showed up in the mail and I know exactly what it is. Recently, I did a trade for two really nice hats, the Toronto Raptors laser and the UCLA Bruins hat. Both of those were Sports Specialties lasers, and my man Ivan was willing to give up 5 really nice hats in exchange, so I really couldn't turn that one down. To clear some room on over here, I actually just reorganized the hat rack. I'm not sure if you can tell because I'm standing in front of it. I got all the Sports Specialties lasers. I've had a bunch of those in lately, so trying to do a section for those, a section for the Logo Athletic stuff, but that's kind of all mixed in right now. And then, of course, I've got the NASCAR collection in there. Getting right into these. Oh, as I said, I'm going to move these out of the way. These are all these hats right here on top of this bin right here are all my go-to everyday hats, so they don't get mixed in with the stuff that I'm selling. Jumping right into this package actually showed up yesterday, but it came really late and I didn't want to do an unboxing then, so I figured I'd save it for today. Packaged really nicely with the bubble wrap and everything, and then little puff bag right there, or air bag, whatever you want to call it. But I'm going to take these out and then show them one by one. This is always a really good sign when you see all those Sports Specialties logos. All right, going right back in the box, kicking things off is this Dallas Cowboys. I'm going to move this so it's not in the glare of the sun. Dallas Cowboys Sports Specialties laser, the gray and blue right there. Pretty sure all of these were shaped by Gonzo, the best in the business when it comes to reshaping hats, and I'm pretty sure this silver metallic is Gonzo's specialty, putting those in after a reshape. So these are all going to be in great condition, and this is the first one, kind of kicking things off. The second of the bunch is this NHL Sports Specialties laser. I'm going to move this even further up because as the sun's setting a little bit. This one, I love the colors on it. As you can see from the hat I'm wearing, I love these laser cut hats. Just the white and the accented color looks so great. This one makes with the black brim makes the orange pop even more. But very simple hat, orange Sports Specialties logo, shield in the front. I love the symmetry of these hats. And then that nice side panel with the laser print right there. This one was the main one that I was looking for in the trade, so I'm really excited to have this one. It's probably going to end up back on the top of this shelf right here in the personals. Next is an Arizona Wildcats Sports Specialties double line script. You can tell it's double line from the white on the inside, and then that second color is the outline that makes it double line. The single ones are, let me get an example here. This is an example of the single line script where there's no outline. But this one right here, the red outlining with the navy looks super clean. Arizona hit on the side, and then Sports Specialties, of course. I'm pretty sure this is a newer kind of hat. This material's a little thicker, which I'm not used to on Sports Specialties hats, which is kind of nice. It's a kind of a nicer, thicker hat, but and then this kind of looks like that newer style that Sports Specialties had. Second to last is this Arizona Coyotes plain logo by Sports Specialties, the shield right there, which is always a nice touch. And then the best logo in the NHL, in my opinion, is this Arizona Coyote. Kind of the burgundy on the green, forest green. And then this one has a little bit of wear, double line tag. I've had this one before, but this one I had to get it back because it just looks so sick. And I love wearing this forest green color. Sometimes Sports Specialties hats that are on this double tag with the main tag right here and then this one tag underneath tend to fit a little bit smaller, but the guy I got these from said that it doesn't really fit that different, and that was the main reason I sold this one originally, because it was a little small, but actually with the nice shape up, that one fits really nice and looks really good, so I'm pretty excited about that. Last but not least, this Arizona Diamondbacks with this aqua color upper, really cool, and then purple, and then the Diamondbacks logo right there. This is also a Sports Specialties. I did not know that this was Sports Specialties. These are all, kind of looks like a newer tag, but it's pretty faded, so I could be wrong. Again, double tag, but great wool blend material right here, or I guess cotton blend, made in Bangladesh. which is always a good sign. Nice, clean inside. So that wraps it up. This was 5 hats from my friend Ivan. Really hooked me up. I'm really fortunate that he was willing to do the trade, but it was sad to let the 2 go that I gave up, but this was an awesome trade, and some of these will be available in the hat drop on Wednesday. I drop new hats every Wednesday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure to check that out on Instagram at Premium32VTG. And if you like videos like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video for more content.